Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription video, and today highlights the value of community. This transcription was suggested to me over on my Discord server, which is where I take transcription requests. Not in the comments here, I don't take them here. I take them over on Discord, only on Discord, so go and get on my Discord server. Do help the channel out by hitting that subscribe button and sharing this video with your friends, because we're going to see a great guitar player today and you want people to hear about that. So we are looking at Brandon Taz Niederauer today, a very, very young guitar player. In this particular clip, I think he might be 12 or 13, or he's very, very young. And he has a bright future. There's no question about that. He has an immensely bright future in music, if that's what he chooses to pursue. He was cast in his youth as the guitar player on the Broadway production of School of Rock. So he definitely has experience in the playing side of things because of that. And he has gone on to play and perform on stage with some of the all-time greats. For example, Derek Trucks, Lady Gaga. Like, he has that kind of modern social media influencer popularity thing because he's a young guitar player who's outrageously good. I think for me, one of the interesting things about his career thus far is we did the Jimmy Herring video recently, and you should go and check that out because it's a really great example of really expressive guitar playing. Jimmy Herring played in lots of bands. Everyone was annoyed that I didn't mention Widespread Panic. I just preferred his work with the Aquarium Rescue Unit, Colonel Bruce Hampton's Aquarium Rescue Unit. Well, Colonel Bruce Hampton had Brandon on stage to play at his 70th birthday performance and died on stage whilst Brandon was playing the guitar. So that's a piece of history right there in Brandon's. What a great way to go on stage for your birthday celebration, just going out doing what you love. And it's really cool that Brandon was there for that. So when I was sent this video, I was immediately taken aback by how mature Brandon's playing is in this. It really is like tasty in terms of tone, in terms of phrasing, and there's a few moments where he really opens up and picks, and whoo, kid can pick. There's like flavors of like Eric Johnson in there. It's just a really, really nice performance. So do go and check out the original video so you can see the whole performance, the singing, the whole vibe. Very, very cool. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Here we go. Brandon Taz Niederauer. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Laters.